When we were asked to do this build, I wasn't so sure about it, but now that I've seen it, I actually like it and I want it for myself. This is one of the most unique builds that we've put together. It comes in pink and it's going to be running Linux. Let's talk about it. Look at this custom cherry blossom case print, not just on the case itself, but also on the backplate of this beautiful 7900 XTX. What are the specs in this? A 9800X 3D, 32 gigs of that beautiful Kingston Hyper Beast Fury RAM. We like that, right guys? The guys say yeah. Beautiful, beautiful build, and an interesting request from this customer, no Windows. Gonna be installing Linux on this bad boy. What a unique build. It's almost like you could get a unique build of your own, I don't know, metapcs.com? Think about it. Look at this, cherry blossom, love it.